Hello all, welcome to this presentation on the topic virtual reality in cultural heritage, hospitality and tourism. To begin with this topic, everyone must know what is virtual reality. Virtual reality is the latest trending technology. It generates a virtual world that seems to be real with the help of VR headsets. Nowadays, there are many applications or benefits of virtual reality. For example, VR is used in cultural heritage, education sector, entertainment sector, hospitality and tourism. The main aim of this presentation is to deliver the use of virtual reality in mainly three sectors in cultural heritage, hospitality and tourism. This presentation enlightens the necessity of virtual reality in some of the important areas. Virtual reality came into existence in the mid 1990s by the Ivan Sutherland. It is also called as VR in shorthand. VR creates a 3D simulated environment. It involves the interaction with the user by using VR headsets or VR glasses or VR helmets. VR is mainly of three types: non immersive, fully immersive, and semi immersive. And next, coming to VR in cultural heritage. First of all, cultural heritage includes the monuments and the cultures, etc. Nowadays, VR is mostly used in cultural heritage for re-establishment of monuments and in recollecting the cultures of our ancestors and so on. So we can say that VR is used in construction. A virtual or imaginary environment will be created by using the latest available 3D technique. Likewise, VR is growing up very faster by enhancing the experience of virtual tours to users and taking the review between before virtual visit and after the real visit. Next, coming to VR in hospitality. Before the evolution of VR, we used to have a documentation of hotel rooms. But documentations are not trustworthy. To overcome that problem, VR is used in hospitality. By using VR devices, the viewer will have a brief view of a hotel room without moving to any place, which gives the clear idea of that hotel and it is trustworthy. At first, usage of VR in hospitality is not recognized properly, but today there is a large difference in recognition of VR in hospitality. However, one of the applications of VR are as follows: virtual hotel tours. From VR, the viewer will encounter a virtual recreation of different aspects of travel, like visiting some place and observing the surroundings. Most of the websites of some hotels are allowing this latest VR feature inbuilt in it, which allows viewers to have a clear look of a hotel room or other parts of the hotel before they get accommodated into it. Virtual hotel tours are done by using this virtual hotel visit through VR technology. This provides the guests to have a brief overview of a hotel. Hence, the above virtual tours are best encountered with a virtual reality glasses or devices, and by using 360-degree video technology, there will be access to view the hotel room without access to a headset. The current slide shows the pros of VR in hospitality, like first, viewer will have a virtual hotel tour by just using the VR device. Second, viewer will have a 360-degree view of hotel before they get accommodated in it. And third, viewer will gain a feeling of traveling to that hotel without going to anywhere. Next, coming to virtual reality in tourism. Currently, there is a large enhancement of VR in tourism sector or to marketing. The main aim of VR is allowing the user to experience a new virtual world but seems to be real. Virtual reality in tourism has the caliber to place the viewer or a customer at the main part of a place and makes it feasible for them to envisage themselves at the location. And some of the applications of VR in tourism are provided here. It includes VR travel expenses, hotel tour using virtual reality, virtual tourism content for websites or social media. The current slide consists of some of the benefits of virtual reality in tourism. Like, it enables the user to make success of their own will. It creates a real experience of involvement. It provides travel experiences to those who cannot travel. It provides or engages the viewer in viewing the 360-degree view of a destination with high resolution. It allows user to imagine themselves being placed at travel destination. It engages user for more time. Next, coming to VR tourism in 360 degrees. 360-degree VR provides an illusion of being in that place and having the 360-degree view of a particular place. 360 VR gives all attention on true earth rather than knowledge processing machine produced picturing. This makes it errorless for the journeying industry where it is important to see users a true placing rather than a mock-up or a simulation. And coming to VR in research, all the VR toolkits are motor driven by Wizard. It accredits the researchers belong to any background to promptly develop their own simulated virtual environment. The common perspective for use of VR in reality research is to compete the testing in an appropriate and equipped research amenity. This approach consists some of the pros usually, but there are many other ways. As the above process is specialized, there is another strategy that research can often be done online either through local prerequisites or in some situations by imparting respondents with plug-in appurtenances they can use with their system for the scrutiny. This has distinct probable solicitation. And next, coming to the future challenges of VR in cultural heritage, hospitality, and tourism sectors. And VR is used in cultural heritage for construction of monuments and recollecting the cultures of our ancestors, etc. And in hospitality, it is used for the 360-degree view of the hotel room. And in tourism, it is used for the 360-degree view of the visiting place, which help in attaining his desire. And in tourism, it is also helpful for having the real tour experience virtually. This gives the real experience to the users. Based on all these calculations, we can say that VR is going to rock in future for continuous 5 years. And here provides the list of the companies which are using the VR technology like Google, Microsoft, Unity, Samsung, Magic Leap, and HTC Vive. And at last, I need to say that virtual reality is the latest and the top trending technology which is going to rock for the continuous 5 years. Not only in cultural heritage and hospitality and tourism, VR is applicable in many areas around the world by providing the 360-degree view. Thank you.